Hi, Todd Coda, Platinum Tools booth. We're here to show you our new product that is a VDV Map Master Tester. And the VDV stands for Voice, Data, and Video. So it has multiple platforms all in one device. This thing does three distinct functions. One, it does testing, it does mapping, and it does toning. So what you're allowed to do, testing is, it does a continuity test, so it'll verify that your conductors and connectors are wired properly and they're in the right sequence. If it is done properly, it will give it a pass icon. So what we'll do is we'll do a quick little test with this. You turn it on here, you pull out the remote at the end, and then when we turn the button on here, it's just a one button function. Hit the data and it tells you that pins 1 through 8 match pins 1 through 8, and it gives you a pass icon. So it tells you that you have wired this connector and this cable correctly. The other feature it is, if you have problems locating your cable runs throughout the walls in a building, you can populate these with our numbered remotes in the wall plates throughout the building, go back to where all the cables are migrated, and then what we can do is we can quickly identify what cable is ran where. So for example, we will plug this into port 2. I'll plug this back into my tester, and then we're going to hit the ID button. ID button here is saying port 2 is associated with ID 5. So ID 5 is right over here. So now we have been able to identify in the wall that this cable from this port to this port, and now we can properly label it conference room, Bob's office. So very helpful tool to use for any installer in the field for Cat 5, Cat 6 terminations.